How to change Facebook profile picture without losing likes. So if you don't want to lose your likes and if you want to change your profile picture, then first of all you have to open up your Facebook application. And here, after opening your Facebook, now you can simply go to the upper right corner which has the 3-bar icon. And then here you can go to your profile, which is on the first option. And after that, if you scroll down, here you will have all of your details about your profile, right? So if you want to change your profile picture, then simply go and tap on your profile picture, and here you will have 4 options. You can simply go to select profile picture, which is on the second option. You can scroll right side, and here it will show the photos of you and then your suggested photos and then your uploads and your albums. So you have to go to the albums and then you have to choose profile pictures, and from here you can simply choose any one of the picture. And after choosing the profile picture, now you can go to save, which is on the upper right corner. Simply tap on that, and it may take some time to upload your profile photo. And now if you want to change your profile photo on your Instagram, then you can simply tap on sync picture, but if you don't want to sync, then you can simply tap on not now. And that's it. That's how you change your profile picture without losing likes. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.